How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and make sure that you are signed in with your account. Now, tap on the fantasy option you see there on the bottom of your screen, and in this particular interface, tap on the Fantasy tab. Now, if you scroll down, you will be led to the Leagues and Cups option. And under the Leagues and Cups tab, you will see the option for Configure Leagues. So tap on the Configure Leagues option you see there, and you will then be able to view all your leagues in here. So scroll down and then go ahead and navigate to the league that you want to leave, and then tap on the arrow-like icon right beside the league that you want to leave, and you will then see the option for yes, I want to leave this league. So tap on the yes, I want to leave this league option you see there, and with this, if you refresh your page, you will see that you are no longer a part of that particular league. So this was about how you can leave a league in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.